Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video, I had shown you the functionality of getText method in Selenium. In this video, I'll be showing you the usage of getTagName, which is of a string type, and getAttribute name, which is again of a string type in Selenium. So I'll be showing you how to use these commands in Selenium. Okay. So first of all, let's see the definition. Then I'll show you the practical example. Okay. So for getTagName, this method in Selenium can be used to retrieve the HTML tag name of a specific element on a web page. What do you mean by that? It means, suppose, let me show you again, because the one who will be watching the video from the starting will be able to relate. Okay, so you can see here I have taken this web page for the purpose of demo. So if you are selecting any element here, so you can see, for example, if you are taking this button, double click to generate alert box here in the HTML DOM. So for this element, what is the tag? This button is the tag of this particular web element. So to get the tag name of this element, which is button here, you can use the get tag name. Okay. Similarly, if you are taking this text box, so in this case, the tag name is input. Okay. So these are the tag names for the particular elements, and then these are the attributes. Here the next element, next method is getAttribute in Selenium, which is used to retrieve the attribute value. Okay. So in this example only, you can see input id equals to f name. In this particular web element, this input is the tag name, and this id, type, name, all these are the attributes for this particular web element. Okay, so if you want to get the tag name, you will get this value, and if you want to get attribute value for these attributes, id or type or name, you can simply use the get attribute method in Selenium, which is used to retrieve the value of a specified attribute of the web element. Okay, here you can see the example. Input element has several attributes such as id, name, value, etc. Okay, so let's see how do we use it by doing the practical example in Eclipse. So in the previous video, I had shown you how to retrieve the text of this particular web element. Double click to generate. So if you will see the previous video, you will see that I had printed the text of the double click button is double click to generate. It was printed. Okay, so for this element only, I'll be now showing you how to use the first get tag name and then get attribute value. So what do? We will store the first tag and then attribute in the strings. So string tag name equals to use this web element only dot get tag name. Okay, and then string attribute value, for example 1 equals to double click dot get attribute. Now one thing to note here, because I told you that get attribute method is used to retrieve the value of the attribute. So here id is the attribute, type is the attribute, and name is the attribute. And this f name is the value of this attribute, text is the value of this attribute, and first name is the value of this attribute. So to retrieve the value of any particular attribute, you have to pass the attribute name as well. So if you want to retrieve the attribute name of this, for example, attribute name, okay, this name is also or you want to retrieve the attribute name of the attribute type, so you have to give that here as an argument. Okay, so here you will be typing type. Okay, now let's print here both the thing. The tag of the double click button is tag name, and the attribute type value of the double click button is this string, okay, where we had called this getAttribute type. Okay, now let's print. Let's run the program. Okay, so you can see the tag of the double click button is button. Okay, we have got for this. So the tag is the button, which is correct, and the attribute types value of the double click button is the submit. So you can see here we need to find the attribute type. So here the type is not given explicitly, so the default value of the any button is submit. So that's why here it is printing submit. Okay, let's test this with one more attribute. Let's say I am passing here style. Okay, that I want to retrieve the value of the attribute style. Okay, so I am going to write here, instead of type I am going to write here style, and then I'm going to run it. So now you can see page is open, the values are being retrieved, and you can see the attribute types I forgot to change here. The attribute, basically it is the value of the attribute style. So the attribute styles value of the double click button is, you can see, background RGB 40 118 115. So you can see here the style is background. So this is printing this value in RGBA pattern. So that's why it has given these values. So you can see it is working successfully. So these are the usage of getTagName and getAttribute method in Selenium. In the next video, we are seeing some more methods like that. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please write in the comment section of this video. And guys, please like, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.